what are you truly doing in order to be booked on so many podcasts? Are you paying $500 an episode, or are you going on free platforms? What's helping you do it? And what's the why behind going on other people's shows when you've already got your own?
If you don't have one, I definitely recommend you get one. Get a press kit. Press kits are clutch. It's just a simple way that someone can just read your bio, read what you've done, and take a minute, 30 seconds of their time, look at your press kit and see if they're worth your time, right? Like, I get judged, right? I send my press kit to a host. They might be like, nah, I don't want this guy on my show. Okay, that's fine, right? Like, you move on, right? So a press kit is a great way to get on someone's radar so they can, see if you're a good fit or not. Two, the approach is I just have a team that does all the outreach. We use, I believe, Podmatch when we really love using Guestio. Guestio is just a great way to message people and see if they would want me on their podcast, right? So, we have a machine, a outreach program that, reaches out to people and, tries to get me on as many podcasts as I possibly can. And obviously there's certain podcasts that we're looking for, so being able to, get on those podcasts is huge. And the reason why is because, I want to have more conversations, with people that, it may be a great relationship. We might not do business today. We might not do business next month, but shoot, maybe we do business, later in the year. Or maybe we could become, referral partners and sending each other business. Also getting on podcasts, I'll credit Travis to this. One question I asked him, because he's got, his show, Build Your Network, and has a shitload of downloads. And I'm like, dude, what's the best way to grow a podcast? He's like, get on other podcasts, be a guest. He's like, if you go on Facebook or Instagram and you post about your podcast, you don't know if a lot of those people even like podcasts or listen to podcasts. But if you get on a show and you talk about your show, then you're already talking to people that, step one, listen to podcasts. Now it's just up to you to get those people to like you and want to check out your podcast, right? So, being a guest on different podcasts, I'm strategically doing that to grow how winners win. And then if I can drop some value along the way, like maybe one person listening to this right now is like, holy shit, I have this 401k for my old job in this IRA. I didn't know I could access the money penalty and tax free. My freaking financial advisor and CPA never told me. How can I do this, right? Then you can, DM me or go to my website, danielblue.me and learn more, right? So there's just a lot of different ways that I've come to the conclusion of why it's valuable for me to spend, a few hours a week and jump on, a few episodes a week.